Okay, so good morning. This another question. It says a sum of money is deposited in a bank at a rate of 12.5% per annum simple interest. In how many years will the deposited money be doubled? Now it is very simple. A sum of money under simple interest, money deposited is basically called the principal. So our principal from the question is unknown. We can use X. Now we're giving the rate as 12.5%, which is the same as 12.5 is the same as 25 on 2. Now we do not know the time, so we do not know the time here. So our time is still T. Now, in how many years will the deposited money be doubled? Now here, this talks about the total amount after the investment. So it means that your total amount will be twice the amount you deposited. So if the amount deposited is X, then the total amount becomes 2X. Now take note, within the total amount, we have the principal and the interest. So from here, we can obtain the interest. So we can say our interest is equal to the total amount minus the principal, which will be 2X minus X, giving us X. Now we then apply the formula. We know that simple interest is giving us the product of the principal by the rate by the time out of 100. 100 because always the rate is given as a percentage. Now by substitution, we have our interest as X, our principal as X, our rate as 25 over 2, then our time, which is T, so times 100 here. Now our X is equal to 25 goes into itself 104. So we have xt here 4 times 2 giving us 8. Now we cross multiply, we'll be obtaining 8x is equal to xt. Now since we are finding t, it implies that, or it means that our x is the coefficient. So therefore we divide through by the coefficient of t, which is x. So our t is equal to 8x on x, where t, x goes into 8x 8 times, which means that the time in how many years, which means that the number of years will be 8. So the principal was not given, we used the variable. The rate was given as 12.5. Then the time, which is our t. The total amount is double of the deposited money, which is 2x. And we've learned that within the total amount, we have the principal and the interest. So to get the interest, we deduct the principal from the total amount. We have x. Then by substitution, we have x is equal to x times 25 times t over 100 times 2. 25 into 100 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. We cross multiply and we divided through by the coefficient of t, which is x, and we obtain 8. So the number of years will be 8. Thank you.